Hey guys, it's Ebony. I'm going to show you how to do a cute high puff. So I'm starting off with the perm rod set to stretch out my hair and give it the most volume. Next, I'm applying my Jen Carter solution, Nourish and Shine, to help separate my hair and prevent frizz, but I'm not really too picky on frizz. I'm picking out my hair, as you can see in this clip, to start giving some fluff and volume. I'm all about volume. I want it big, 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 big.
Pull up in the Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rock.
Next, I'm going with Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss Gel to put around the perimeter of my hair and just rub it all in because I will be laying my edges later. I got my handy dandy brush to smooth everything in and get it all nice and smooth and sleek in the back and in the front. I use a cut pantyhose to tie up my hair. I just feel that it's a lot softer and gentler on my hair and it doesn't snag. I start by tying it up in the front, pulling it as taut as I want it, and I push it up in the back till I get the desired height of my puff, and then I'm going to secure the ends in with bobby pins when I'm ready.
Pull up in the Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rock, I'm sorry. Pull up in the Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rock.
Alright, and now that everything is secure, I'm just going to lay my edges off camera and I'll be back. Alrighty, so this is almost the final product. I'm going to go in with my pick and I'm going to fluff it out and get the shape that I want. I do have short hair, and so it takes a while for me to do this.
Pull up in the Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo,